Well, welcome back, everyone. I have procured or liberated a microphone from my roommate, so hopefully the audio's a little bit better. Um, I'm still totally new to this. I do have some software coming in from Amazon later today and a new headset. Um, so I'll actually be able to edit videos, make annoying intros that last way too long. Sure, everyone will love that. So, I guess, where were we? I think we were, Dave Brown story. This is my game that I was playing over the last month or so. I'm about a month into survival, got generators, food, and everything. Uh, yeah, I think this was Dave Brown, so I guess we'll jump into Dave Brown. I'm gonna try to keep these videos shorter. So, let's see. I guess I'll start my time marker at 12:25 p.m. 11/15/2020. Maybe go 20 minutes. So, yep, okay. Dave Brown just made it to Cartwright Medical. I am very tired. Still need to find a backpack. Still no backpack. Okay, so we're gonna sleep here tonight. See what happens. Where are you at? Yep, well, I need a digital watch so I can tell how many days I've survived. Let's see. Alarm clock. Long gloves. Doesn't look like they offer any bite or scratch resistance. I think I already went through all this stuff. I don't know why this is on here. Duh. Oh well. Well, basically, I could really use a vehicle. Oh, yep. Oh my god, lots of friends. And I seem to have attracted two. I need to try to get into this truck. I think I'll just lead them around. Still need to loot this place, but I just do not have the inventory space for that. If I can just get a car, I can drive back down here. There's a van. More zombies. Look like there's anyone inside. But there will be soon. Hmm. I might actually equip a tote bag. Oh, jeez. That door should hold them off for a while. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. I have a fanny pack. Let me put stuff in my fanny pack. Grapes. Can opener. Yep. Cooking for beginners. Really like those beginner books. Really helps you get at least the first few points. Then, okay, I'm not going to go into the bathroom. Let's see what we got here. No gas. Ugh. Ugh, jeez. I have another friend. Two friends. Hey, leveled up. Probably maintenance. Oh, jeez. Get a new weapon eventually. My hand axe is gonna crap out on me any minute. And another classic watch. Angler USA. Got your empty kettle. Can opener. Oh, some mac and cheese. I'll put that in my fanny pack. Put some more stuff in my fanny pack here. I can. Put my ham in my fanny pack. Hammer. Nope, that's about it, huh? I must keep the rubber duck. Oh, yeah, that's about it. Let's see if I can get a book to get rid of this sadness. Zombie out on my front yard, my front lawn. So I'll keep walking down here. Might find a car with gas down this neighborhood. Really hope this is recording. Oh, there's a zombie inside. It's locked house. Don't think anyone followed me, so. Oh, I hear someone else. Bathroom zombie? Oh. Oh, there's a book. That'll cheer me up. Should I see that book? No idea. Okay, so I saw a book. Whoa, jeez. There you are. And another one. I think that was a one-shot, one-kill. Oh, jeez. Seem to have attracted a lot of attention. Ugh, I can't take on that many at once. I'm not a pro. Oh, uh-oh, dogs are acting up. Until I get a dedicated recording studio, you just might have to put up with them. That wasn't too bad. I think I lost him. Okay. Try out this car now. Oh, blocked. Locked, and more zombies. Oh my gosh. Around the corner here, I might run down a few houses. Who's following me? Oh, this is getting bad. Okay. Just lead them over here. Hopefully they'll get stuck on the house. I can hear them. I just basically need somewhere to put all my crap. Screwdriver. Just don't have the space. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll move on. Oh, jeez. What a vominos. Take a little jog. Slowly working my way up to McCoy's. Whoa. There's lots of activity in here. Oh, no, man, there's the window. What's that door? Oh, jeez. I can barely run. This is going to turn into a very short series. Usually a little more surgical than this. Huh. Oh man. A rough start. Of course, there's a bunch of zombies there. I really just can't fight anything right now. Just have to outwalk them. Which at least I can do right now. Empty water bottle. Oh, a survivor house. Hopefully there's good supplies of food in there. Really, what I need to do is just find a car. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. There's a lot going on in that house. Start the slow walk. The walk of shame. Be a very boring episode. Oh, got some followers. Ugh, jeez. Sometimes you can find a car over here. It's parked in the grass, parked in the front yard. Not looking particularly good, though. Get to one of these houses and fill up my water bottle, maybe. Read a book. Feeling kind of sad. Ah, jeez. It's just pretty rough. If I just go straight to McCoy's, I can probably find a car there. Oh, yeah. Got one following me. Gonna have a few more in a minute. Just gotta remain calm and keep walking. I see a car here. Burnt out house. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that figures. Okay. Keep going to McCoy's. Straight up this way is a farmhouse up there that I like to stay at a lot. just right outside of town and really close to McCoy's. McCoy's is pretty much straight up from here. Still don't know why my taskbar is just... Oops. Taskbar is just showing in the video. I don't know if you can see it, but... Uh-oh. We have the dramatic music now. Oh, no. Okay. A few followers. Coming up to one of the warehouses. Uh-oh. The dogs have been barking at flies this morning. Really hate those things. They try real hard, but they can never seem to catch them. Here's the warehouse, one of the warehouses. Little warehouse there. It's a good place. I am barely jog. Just get to McCoy's. Oh my gosh, I think they can outrun me now. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Lose them in the woods. So go straight through the woods. Try not to get scratched. Oh yeah, we are in some trouble. Barely walk now. Pretty rough. Smoke a cigarette. So I'm a nervous wreck. Okay, where is McCoy's? I think I have to go down this way further. Maybe? Oh, ah! Oh, jeez. Into the woods. Oh, this is very bad. I think I need to go this way. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This may be it for me. Oh. Oh, God. What happened? Bitten. Yep, I'm done. This was Dave Brown. Oh, man. No. Oh, jeez. Yep, you're a goner. I survived 1 day and 8 hours. Killed 44 zombies. Oh, man. Was bad. Oh, jeez. Okay, well, that was Dave Brown. 2 episodes. Thanks for watching. I'll probably set up another one here pretty soon. Maybe mess around with my video and audio recordings some more and do some proper editing. It's mostly... These 2 videos are mostly just a test for my sound and trying to figure out how to YouTube. Never done it before, so it's all brand new to me. So yeah, we'll catch you all later. Bye-bye.